like a cloud on a sunny day. I smile in a funny way when I see my money's paid. Be like Uncle Jokes that eat my tummy. In short, you know me za matumbo. Na matatu na occupy space ka jet ile jumbo. Na like them akuna shit. Just so hili nimeiva maumbo. Ni confess hata kuliko mafumbo. You can't compare. My boss got me more pairs. You can boxes. The only pair that you have are boxes. Treat my fans like a qualified doctor. Rhythm and project, I'm a certified author. Na little energy, cause I'm a monster man. I'm a star, recognized, little prosper. What's the meaning? I'm just in the rap, yeah, it's so good. I won't compromise cause I'm on the rise. I got my eyes on the prize. I couldn't divide, but multiply my fans to an enemy size. Simon Peter, he can't say what's he deny.
Welcome back to our channel.
You know the drill, guys, so cheers. We're going to talk about signs that she's into you that you definitely ignore.
Ama you just don't know.
Because you ignore.
No, they ignore. No.
Yeah,
they ignore.
No, they don't know.
Okay. They ignore ama they don't know.
No, they ignore. No.
I am not fucking drunk.
Can you tell the time?
Yes. I am not fucking drunk.
Anyway. So, Shan, tell me the first point.
So the first point that I feel like you guys just ignore the fact that she's into you is when she gets out of her way to create time for you. You in your head, you think she's just making herself available because, oh, I don't know what goes on in your heads. But Mimi, I get out of my way, create time for you in my busy schedule. I'm a schedule. That one.
Schedule.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
If she gets out of her way to create time for you from that busy timetable of hers, and then you're here thinking that, oh, she's just making herself
Mama, she's just
available,
friendly.
she's easy. My guy, check yourself.
And also another point is if she invites you to her plots.
Yeah.
Let me tell you, for someone to actually meet the person who she or he is dating, sasa hiyo kamiti ya marafiki, it's actually a big deal. It is.
Yes, it is.
So invite kwa plots. It's not light. It's not light.
Okay,
Take it
another
seriously.
point I would say is she finds you funny, yeah? Okay, for example, on my side, yeah, mimi napenda kucheka. But hey, if I don't like you, say, hata uende Churchill ufanye video, ufanye intangwaji comedy or something, and I don't even feel your vibe, I won't laugh. So if you find a mama who is laughing like in everything, mostly in everything that you say, yeah?
It's not a matter of being funny. Personally,
It is possible.
Where? It is possible.
Okay.
Personality matters.
Yeah, personality
A lot.
matters.
A lot.
Okay, Juni, me grow this. I have grown. I am a grown-up woman. Personality
She's
matters.
grown during this quarantine. Ndio maana anasema sijui personality.
Ito zingine mtieke. My looks tuliacha.
True, by the way.
Fanya
is a matter of
tambu
maturity.
chukua sura itakupatia stress.
Inauma but itabidi uzoee.
Okay, not really, but
Aye.
look, we don't really pay attention to
Oh
looks
yeah,
nowadays.
looks and appearance doesn't really matter. It's your personality.
Yeah. Another thing that I feel you guys ignore is when she just shows you these nice gestures. Like she decides this time she's coming to see you. She'll come with like a meal for two, or just get out of her way and get something.
Ebu, yeah, meal. If you're not my man, I can't cook for you.
No, she's really about cooking. No, not about cooking.
Meals.
Yeah.
Where's the meal coming
Or a
from?
snack. Let's
Where's the
say
meal coming from?
since your mom was talking, just to listen. Okay, for me personally, let's say I have gone to Tuskys. Personally, I really like this Tuskys hot dogs, and I know I'm going to see this person that I like. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to see him. See, I should. So you buy 2 of them. You're out here thinking, she can buy for me anything I want. No, I'm trying to show you. By the way, by the way,
If I don't buy for you anything and I come to see you and you think we might be having a thing, I don't like you. Tuanga hivyo. Siwezi hata ile matunda ya one bob. Macadamia, you know those two sikupendi, sikutaki, kaa huko, kaa na mama yako. No. No.
God. Your God, Jesus.
But
I know Skulei.
don't ever take those small efforts for granted, because not everyone is going to do that for you. It doesn't really matter, be it food, just something small.
Yeah,
Just
like-
being thoughtful.
Unazenda maybe Tuskys, you're buying yourself a hot dog and you're going to see him. You'll buy him a hot dog.
Yeah.
Lakini kupikiwa.
Okay, cooking for you, for me to cook for you.
I don't even cook for my brother. Who are you?
If you're not my man, I can't cook for you. And if you're not my family, I can't cook.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Not my mother, my dad, my sisters, my aunt or uncles, or my mom. I'm not cooking for you.
Hey, you umetaja.
Friends, mnakujenga snacks.
Wow.
And
Lazima
let
tupikiwe
Leo
though.
tulikuwa mandazi.
Yeah, see those are snacks. At least I'm jatoka hapa.
Na nilikuja huku 7 AM. Nikakuja tunatoka. But anyway, another thing I would say is she'll always want to look good.
Yeah.
Yani, this mama will just tell her, maybe you guys are meeting, maybe at time when in town, maybe you're just going for something simple. She'll always want to look good. This mama is she really likes you, you know.
First of all, it's not easy to look good.
Yeah.
It's not easy.
She'll do her eyebrows, she will, yani that's her hair, you know.
We're talking about the first stages.
Yeah.
Yeah, true, the first one.
Yani, mimi nakunga na ile kitu guys, nilipata ndo mse 2 weeks ago, alinana na jeans ya blue. Wacha nivae ya black tutajua niko na jeans ya black. Well, that's me.
Yeah.
But kama wewe like, you know, mimi nitavaa blue hadi ile siku nitatoka uniulize kwani
Ona
unataka
mwingine.
nakwambia what's stress. Bora tu ni safi, what's stress.
Kuja nikupuliza itapoa.
You know.
But you see, in as much as guys, one of the industry girls don't put effort when they like the other gender.
Yeah,
Some of them,
You
we actually
do.
put some effort.
In as much as we dress
When we
for
are starting,
ourselves.
when we
Yeah.
are, these are the first days, the first. Miss Semi, like Mimi. Same alimefika.
Why she's changed?
Fika kwa relationship yangu. Chazoeana.
Napigia
So-
bra nimwambie ajam.
Chazoeana.
Unasema.
Sisemi ati sijui najiachilia kushazoeana, but so I'm comfortable in wearing whatever I want to dress in. I mean, naona kama my hair nimetoka kuosha iko shrinkage. I mean, naona kama my hair is popping nimetoka salon. So, but early before we started dating, of course.
You'll always want to look good.
Yeah.
Not even that.
That's
not
perfume.
even that.
Alafu ndio mwisho like let me tell you, there's nothing as comforting to you ama to your other significant person as mshako comfortable. Kaya anakujanga kwenye line shorts, Crocs. Mishazoea pia mimi naweza enda kwake na slippers, t-shirt. But the first stages, msichome picha.
Yeah. And as I have been trying to say for the past 2 minutes.
Sorry.
As much as you try to look good for this person, always look good for yourself. Like, don't
Yeah,
always think that you're
that's
looking good for you.
very important.
We're also looking good for ourselves. Like, okay, I'm going out. Am I looking okay? Am I feeling okay? Am I confident in what I'm wearing? Don't always think it's about you. Though sometimes, kidogo too, if I like you.
Before you please someone, please yourself.
Yeah.
I think I'll say, remembers your interest and follows up on them. This mostly happens when mefikishana a certain, you know, like a certain place, yeah. Maybe yesterday night ulimwambia, I have an interview in the morning, sijui nini,
Ama next week.
Kayo, but that afternoon, yeah, atakupigia simu akuuliza, hi, how did the interview go? You know, like she's interested, like she wants to know what happens.
Following up.
She's following up, yeah.
Signal.
Najifanya hapa.
Oh yeah, she calls. frequently.
Atupigianangi simu. Hata wewe usimpigiangi.
Mimi nachukia phone calls.
She calls.
Mimi nachukia phone calls.
She calls. But then she calls.
But I'll call.
Yeah, she calls.
I will call.
And she replies very fast.
Yes.
Hakuna ngele mambo ama nikireply haraka ata.
Sijui ataona ni kama
No,
hakuna kitu ya maana
you
nafanya.
just like at this case
reply.
nimeamka na nimepata good morning. Good morning.
Exactly.
Very quickly, like you know, hata before washe uso good morning. Because mimi nilala sasa before nijeka na tembea masitembea ama niko na mgongo simu kwa simu.
Because let
Yeah,
me
good
tell you,
morning.
what to texts, what to phone calls,
Yeah,
they make some impact.
Yeah, they brighten up someone's
Yeah.
day. In case you didn't know.
Yeah.
Asked one.
Tell us.
Na sijui mbona watu wa Nairobi mnapenda kutoroka hii. She flirts. Hakuna msichana anapendanga kuflirt na mwanaume hataki ama mwanaume no. That lady flirts. She's a bitch.
Napendi hao watu.
Wait a minute, how? She's evil. She's a bitch.
She's single.
No, hakuna tunaweza kuwa single.
She is not.
I'm also single, but if I feel your vibe, yo, I will flirt with you. I might be single and you're flirting with me and I don't like your vibe. I won't flirt back. No way, no way. After story, the story.
Talk to my sister.
She's wicked. We'll talk that after the
Conference call. Tampigia.
ano wasichana wanaitwa wasichana wa Nairobi. Sitaka ni wale wasichana wa Nairobi.
Hawa wasichana wa Nairobi si wasichana wa Nairobi kwa sababu they own nothing. Si ati naongea vibaya lakini ukiona mtu hana nywele anaekelea wigi juu, nywele zao zinaanzaga hapa. Zinaanzaga second half. Unapata nywele imeanza hapa second half kwa.
Oh yeah, and I've remembered. Mbona najizi vitu. Says I am single. Be a bit touchy. Okay, yeah, touchy. Una get, she will be
Not to
ama umeona, she might not even touch you, but she might be kanywele kame.
Oh.
What this thing? Okay, say niko na hii, relax. Maybe no I do my forehead. But anyway, you know this like Shan. Yeah. Unafanyanga je na hizi braids.
Usifanye sana zinaweza ngoka.
She might do that. You might find like if it's her jeans. Kwanza there's this story of mimi bede. If I want you to notice me,
Uko experience.
na nimevaa jeans. You know that kawaii. And then you look at him and you just okay, crush wangu ameona baby. She'll do such gestures like you know, kama ni bro utampata amefanya. So anyway, those are the sides. So guys, we come to the end of our YouTube video. So subscribe, like,
Comment and share.
Post notifications on.
Turn them on.
yeah. And if you guys feel like we have left any sign, comment below.
Yeah. And DM us
Of course.
on our individual Instagram accounts, our main Sipsam official Instagram account.
We'll put our main handles
yeah.
below and also the videos.
Yeah.
Handle.
But follow us on Sipsam official. Sip.
Underscore Sam official.
Yeah.
And so,
Till next time, for more official.
yes.
And fun.
Oh yes.
You guys should see the bloopers.
I know.
Anyway, till next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Like she never met me. Bad man, East Coast, bana checky. He the lion on me like the Serengeti. I could doodle on your noodle and it's not spaghetti. Shorty wanna know me like she never met me. Bad man, East Coast, bana checky.